Now let me teach you how to find arithmetic mean for grouped data. So this is a group data. So let's find the arithmetic mean. So to do that, what we do is simple. Can you note that we told this way the number of sales made. So these are the number of sales made. These are the number of sales men. So from here now, remember I'll teach you how to find arithmetic mean using frequency distribution. You can check the previous video. So from here now, so let's maximize the board so we don't go cleaning again. So what we do is from the table, so the number of salesmen is going to be the frequency. Now next thing we're going to do here is find the class mark. So class mark is X here. We can name it X. Then on the next line, we can find FX. FX. So that is all. So now let's start. To find a class mark, now use class mark when you have group data like this. So class mark is simply sum of the class boundaries divided by 2. These are the class boundaries. So this is lower class boundary, this is upper class boundary. So when you add it, then divide it by 2, that's the class mark. So from here now, 0 plus 4 is going to give us 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the class mark is 2. Now 5 plus 9 is going to give us 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Now 10 plus 24, that's 10 plus 14, that's going to give 24. 24 divided by 2 is going to give us 12. Then from here, 15 plus 19, that's going to give us 34. 34 divided by 2, 34 divided by 2, please. 34 divided by 2. That's going to give us 17. So right, 17. Then from here, 20 plus 24, that's going to give us 44. So 44 divided by 2, that's going to give us 22. Then the last one, 25 plus 29, that's going to give us 50. This is 40, right? Then that's 54. So we'll have 54 divided by 2. So 54 divided by 2 is going to give us 27. So that is all. We can clean this. Alright, so the next one, to find fx, we can use calculator, please. So that 1 times 2 is going to give us 2. Then 14 times 7, please. Let's check calculator. Yeah, 14 times 7. That's going to give us 98. Wow, 98. Then 23 times 12. 23 times 12 is 276. Then 21 times 17. 357. Then 15 times 22. That's going to give 330. Then 6 times 27. That's going to give 162. That is all. So from here now, we can find the sum of the frequency. Then from here, we can find sum of fx. So that our mean, our arithmetic mean is going to be sum of fx all over sum of frequency. That is all. So let's add up all this. So from here, we're going to have 2 plus 98 plus 276 plus 357 plus 330 plus 162. That will give us 1225. 1225. So from here, let's add up all this. This should give 80. Yeah, when you add this, you're going to get 80. So the arithmetic mean is going to give us 1225 divided by 80. So which will give us, let's check calculator again. That will give us 15.3. So that's how you solve it. So the arithmetic mean is 15.3. Then with this, you can also find the mean, the mode, the median. So that is all. Check my next video. I'll be sharing statistics. If you're a student of statistics, whether in 100 level or 200 level or 300 level, even finals. So don't forget to join my WhatsApp community. Click on the number showing on the screen to join my WhatsApp community. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.